Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my Microkit, which is essentially like my small kit for smaller gigs, one-on-ones. This is the Zuka bag, backpack, and you can see it stacks on top of my Zuka bag. So what I'm going to actually do is just bring this one to me to my client's house tomorrow, and I want to show you how I packed it. So this is just a little disposable backpack that I use a carabiner to hook it to the handle, and inside here is my PPE bag, which is like my mask and face shield, and I put it in here separate. It used to be in this bag, but I didn't want to crush it because I didn't want it to get dented. So I'll show you that in a second. I love the saying on this: choose a job you love. I love the saying on this. This is a little backpack from the Makeup Academy that I have, and it says choose a job you love, and then it's in like makeup, and you will never have to work a day in your life. So I love that, and it's really easy to wear, really lightweight. And this will also be the same bag that like I'll throw my soiled items in, like when I'm trying to be fast. So I can just connect that to the backpack really easily. In this side pocket really here, I just have some bottled water, and I'll put my snacks in there. I always bring my own water and snacks. In this side pocket right here, I actually have a bag with an apron for me as well as a cape for our client. So that way we can cover our clothing if necessary. In this side pocket, as you can see, this is where I keep my tripod, because this is a really long pocket. It's actually meant for like hair tools. But I keep my tripod as well as the paracords that go for my makeup light. And it sticks out, but it stays in there pretty well. So when you open up this bag, this is how I packed it. So it's kind of stacked top to bottom. I have a Zuka bag, my makeup light, and these are my sanitation cleaning bags. And then these are individual bags I pack for this specific client, as well as my one set of brushes. Over here I have like my individual disposables bag for the client. So that way I can just kind of minimize how much exposure I have to my like disposable tools. Then I just like have hair clips, which have been cleaned and sanitized, as well as business cards in a minute. I don't really keep a lot in this bag because this is kind of like my one-off bag that I just put my individual client things in. So let's go through what's in the bags. Okay, so the first bag is my facial. I mentioned I have that separately because I didn't want to take it all cracked and stuff, and my mask and my gloves. This is my sold items bag. It has a mini trash can and just trash bags, and this bag is really just gonna be where I throw my dirty brushes. This is my cleaning bag, so I have all of my cleaning products in here. So this is my sanitation bag. I have towels, wipes, my UV wand, all of my cleaning supplies in here. If you watch my sanitation video that I posted about COVID-19 recently, everything is broken down in these 3 bags. In this bag I have palettes. It's in one of these Zuka cases, so it's nice and protected and stacked. And then here's the makeup eye. I love that it has this just one flat panel because it packs so easily in your kit. And then basically you just need to bring the tripod or whatever attachment you're using in the cord. So this is my regular kit. So it has powders, eyeshadows, face care, lips. And what I did is, for this one client, I just consolidated everything that I need for her specifically into these 2 bags. She's a repeat client. I've already done her multiple times before, so I know what products work for her. So this is the skincare, face, and complexion items that I packed just for her. So as you see, I know what shade she wears, what skincare she uses. And this bag, this is where I pack my eyes, brows, and lips. So I'm doing like a purple smoky eye on her, and I packed my lashes, my lip palette, all that stuff. So yeah, this is great because instead of packing all those Zuka bags, I just have these 2 clear bags, which are from Amazon. I love them because they're clear and you can see them. And then lastly, I have my individual brushes in here. So this stands up and it opens like this. So it's really easy because it's like a cup. And when you're done, you just fold it back up, and as you can see, it zippers and lies really flat, so it's easy to pack. I prefer these to the Kazeti vessel that a lot of people are using, because I do have 2 Kazeti vessels, but this takes up so much less room and you can clean it just as easily. So this is the setup, y'all. These 3 take up the most room, and I've consolidated my client's makeup just to these bags right here. And they all go in the Zuka backpack and this little side bag. So I will have an additional filming setup on my gig tomorrow. I'll take some live video just to show you how it's all set up at my client's home. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll make sure to link these bags and this brush holder and these bags below in my Amazon store for my makeup kit and COVID-19 essentials.